Welcome to day 10 of the 28-day photo challenge. Today is lens flare. One of the easiest ways to make people think that you're a better photographer than you actually are. So we can play with oncoming light sources or even side light sources, so that way we can achieve lens flares as well as flare filters to add that anamorphic look.
Alright, just warming up after yesterday's video, which for me is still the same day. And the sun is just about to come down beneath that cloud over there. So I'm gonna have about 5 minutes before the sun starts setting. And I'm gonna try and get the lens flare using the sun. You know, the 15 million degrees Celsius natural light that we have, or, you know, like 27 million degrees Fahrenheit for the US people who might watch this video. And there's a dog going for a walk. I gotta pet the dog. Are you going for a walk? Yes. I got this little plant, right? Oh my God, that's deep. Jesus. Right here. Alright, just gonna try and get to it. So basically all we want to do, focus on the subject, and we want to have the sun poking through, so we have that nice lens flare off of it. But I'm gonna leave it overexposed by one stop. So I'm gonna bring the shutter speed up to 500. It's gonna move it up, take a shot right on that lower rule of thirds. Okay, alright. Now, make it back through here. Alright. That sucked. That went up to my knees though. I'm done with that. I'm not dealing with that again. Now I want to get a close up. Huh. We have a mouse. Or a rat living in here. Alright, so let's get right through here. Focus on the wood. Oh yeah, that's crispy. And just get the sun centered in there. Get the lens flare to shine across the wood a little bit. Okay. There we are. Pretty content with that. I don't really think there's gonna be much else. Oh my God, the sun is so bright right now. Okay, we'll try one more. We'll try right across the top of these. And focus on the further away ones. Right about there, okay. So I mean, lens flare is pretty self-explanatory. You just want to take a picture of something and have the main light basically blinding you. And that'll give a nice flare off of the lens. You know, I might even be able to get one more picture of the truck before that sun takes off. Oh man, that looks really cool over there. There's like fog up by the mountain. I wish I had the 70 to 200, but it's like $1,000. So I'll crop that one in as best I can, but it ain't gonna be pretty. I can literally see the spot of sun that was shining behind the truck disappearing. Oh, it's back. Oh, it's back with a vengeance. Okay, so let's try and take a picture of the truck. Again, still at 70. Sun just peeking through between the cab and the truck bed. I can get down just a little bit. This isn't very underexposed, so I'm going to expose without the sun blinding me. So I'm gonna bring that shutter speed down to 320. So that's accurate exposure for the truck. Also, all of these shots are at f2.8. Now it's gonna raise it up a little bit. Get that sun to start blinding. Use rule of thirds. Just get some of the smoke from the mill and everything coming over the truck bed. And boom. There we are. Cool. Well, the sun is down past that big cloud, big wall to end the day. And I have a couple more videos that I want to record today. So once that sun's gone, it's going to be a clear sky until 1 in the morning. So we are going to try and get some stars. That was my original plan, so I can start setting everything up, getting ready for some long exposures, which is going to be coming. So hopefully you found something useful in this video. You know, like it if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, or don't do any of it. I'm not telling you what to do.